Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 10 Best Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner Review in 2021.
Top 1.
Dolphin Triton PS Plus Wi-Fi operated robotic pool vacuum cleaner, ideal for in-ground swimming pools up to 50 feet, powerful suction to pick up small debris, easy to clean top-load filter basket. Pop-up pool party, no worries, the Dolphin Triton PS Plus robotic pool vacuum has you covered. Equipped with the option of a quick cleaning cycle, your pool will be ready for fun in the sun in just 1 hour. Ideal for in-ground swimming pools up to 50 feet, let Dolphin take the stress out of backyard entertaining. Effortlessly delivers a deep clean. The Triton PS Plus has superior filtering capabilities and is powerfully nimble on vertical surfaces for intense waterline scrubbing. As an equal opportunity cleaner, this robot is a perfect solution for all pool types, from gunite to tile and everything in between. No extra stuff needed. Unlike the energy hogs that are pressure and suction cleaners, Dolphins are extremely efficient and do not require any additional equipment to get the job done. Just plug it in, drop it in, and walk away for a stunningly clean pool. Let Dolphin take over your pool cleaning duties. Connect the Triton PS Plus to Wi-Fi through the My Dolphin Plus app to schedule weekly cleanings, choose between cycle options, and to spot clean. From the backyard to the office, make your pool perfect from anywhere, anytime.
Top 2.
Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, ideal for in-ground swimming pools up to 50 feet, powerful suction to pick up small debris, easy to clean top-load filter cartridges. Hello, free time, let the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Vacuum Cleaner take over your pool cleaning duties for good. Easy to use and ideal for in-ground swimming pools up to 50 feet. This cleaner will leave your pool sparkling clean in just 2 hours. Spend more time enjoying your pool and less time cleaning. The clean you need without the hassle. The Nautilus CC Plus was designed to clean your pool, effortlessly. With dual scrubbing brushes and superior filtering capabilities, you can relax knowing your pool's floor and walls are left exceptionally clean. Ditch the pumps and hose. Unlike the energy hogs that are pressure and suction cleaners, Dolphins are independent cleaning machines and do not rely on any additional equipment to get the job done. Save energy with every pool cleaning. Clean your pool with the touch of a button. Schedule the Nautilus CC Plus to clean your swimming pool each week using 3 settings every day, every other day, or every third day. Pool cleaning has never been easier. With more than 35 years of cleaning the world's residential swimming pools, Dolphins provide pool owners with a hassle-free cleaning solution of unmatched performance and longevity. Get back to what really matters, spending time with family and friends.
Top 3.
Polaris 9650 IQ Sport Robotic Cleaner, Automatic Vacuum, for in-ground pools up to 60 feet, Smart App, Wi-Fi, Amazon Alexa, 70 feet swivel cable W/strong suction and easy access filter canister, multicolored. Intelligent Pool Cleaner, wherever you are, whenever you want. Clean your pool easily with the iAqualink app. Comes Wi-Fi ready and many options within the Polaris app that allow your pool to be cleaned, all from your phone. Comes with dirty canister indicator. In-ground, compatible with in-ground swimming pools up to 60 feet. Mobile app and Wi-Fi, with a built-in Wi-Fi connection that enables iAqualink app control. The power to start or stop your pool cleaner is never further away than your phone. Premium cleaning performance, 4-wheel drive climbs over obstacles and won't get stuck. Low torque watertight swivel keeps cable from tangling during operation. What's included? Comes equipped with a 70 feet cable W, tangle reducing swivel, and an extra large 5L debris canister. Premium caddy included.
Top 4.
Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, ideal for above in-ground swimming pools up to 33 feet, powerful suction to pick up small debris, easy to clean top-load filter basket. Sit back and relax while the Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Vacuum cleans the pool for you. Ideal for small swimming pools, above or in-ground up to 33 feet. This easy-to-use, compact cleaner will have your pool ready for splashing fun in just 2 hours. Efficiency is key when it comes to pool cleaning. Unlike suction and pressure cleaners, Dolphins are 8x more energy efficient and do not rely on your pool pump or filter to get the job done. Ditch the pumps and hose and save energy with every pool cleaning. Dolphin does all the hard work for you. Agile and efficient, the Nautilus CC was designed to clean your pool effortlessly. With superior scrubbing and filtering capabilities, you can relax knowing your pool's floor and walls are left exceptionally clean. Clean your pool with the touch of a button. Schedule the Nautilus CC to automatically clean your swimming pool each week using 3 settings: every day, every other day, or every third day. With more than 35 years of cleaning the world's residential swimming pools, Dolphins provide pool owners with a hassle-free cleaning solution of unmatched performance and longevity. Get back to what really matters, spending time with family and friends.
Top 5.
Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner, with powerful dual scrubbing, brushes and multiple filter options, ideal for in-ground swimming pools up to 50 feet. Drop and go. Easy to use, single button plug and play in-ground robotic pool cleaner, ideal for pools up to 50 feet, backed by a 3-year quality assurance. Clever Clean delivers a smart and efficient clean using advanced algorithms for complete pool coverage. Anti-tangle patented swivel cable allows your Dolphin to move around your pool with ease. Powerful, dual scrubbing brushes forcefully attack tough dirt and debris, leaving your swimming pool floor, walls, and water line exceptionally clean in 3 hours. Multiple filter options for an optimal clean pool. The Premier comes standard with 3 filter options: bottom load fine cartridge filters, ultra fine cartridge filters, and an oversized fine filter bag. Cleaning made convenient. Set the Premier's weekly scheduler to automatically clean for you every day, every other day, or every third day. The full filter indicator lets you know when it's time to clean your filter.
Top 6.
Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Wi-Fi operated robotic pool vacuum cleaner, ideal for in-ground swimming pools up to 50 feet, easy to clean top-load filter cartridges. Triple thread cleaning action. Equipped with powerful motors, 3 scrubbing brushes, and superior filtering capabilities, the easy-to-use Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Robotic Vacuum Cleaner pushes the limits of swimming pool cleaning. This next-level robot masterfully cleans the floor, walls, and water line for a stunningly clean pool. Interactive pool cleaning. This premium cleaner is Wi-Fi connected so you can set advanced cleaning schedules, choose between cleaning cycles, delay start, and spot clean using the My Dolphin Plus app on your phone. Whether you're in the backyard or at the office, make your pool perfect from anywhere, anytime. From an impromptu pool party to the calm after a storm, the Nautilus CC Supreme has you covered. Choose between the quick clean, focusing on the floor only, the standard cleaning for floor, walls, and water line, or the enhanced clean for extra scrubbing time. Plug and play for an uncompromised clean. Since this cleaner works independently from your pool system, you don't have to worry about external factors such as low pressure or a damaged pump impacting the cleaning performance. With an average operating cost of 5 cents per hour, save energy with every pool cleaning. With more than 35 years of cleaning the world's residential swimming pools, Dolphins provide pool owners with a hassle-free cleaning solution of unmatched performance and longevity. Get back to what really matters, spending time with family and friends. Top 7. Dolphin Escape Robotic Above Ground Pool Cleaner. Delivers unmatched performance in an above-ground cleaner at an unthinkable cost. No messy bags, large and in-charge oversized debris cartridge holds up to 60% more debris. AIPER grip continuous tracks, leaves wheels cleaners in its wake. AIPER brush dual scrubbing brushes scrubs away difficult to remove contaminants. Smart NAV 2.0 robotic scanning. Only 14 pounds energy efficient 24-volt DC motors. 1-year warranty. Top 8. Aquabot Elite Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner with Bluetooth, massive top-load cartridge filters, dual brushes, and app. Customize pool cleanings and control the Aquabot Elite Pro right from your phone with the Aquabot RC app. Top-loading massive dual filtration cartridges, no messy bags to clean. Quad scrubbing brushes with 2 huge split brushes on both sides of the unit. The Aquabot Elite Pro is designed to get all the challenging spots within a pool. 360-degree anti-tangle swivel eliminates frustrating cable tangles. Best-in-class 3-year warranty. Top 9. AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, Wall Climbing, Triple Motor, Intelligent Route Plan Tech Automatic Pool Cleaner, Max Cleaning Coverage, ideal for in above ground pool suit for 1,614 square feet. Latest technology and long-lasting power. This is the newest cordless robotic pool cleaner with wall climbing function, 4-wheel drive system, intelligent route plan tech, cordless design, making this a top-line cleaner in every aspect by AIPER. 8600 mAh battery offers up to 90 minutes of non-stop cleaning after charging 7 to 8 hours, no risk of cable twist. This innovative automatic pool cleaner is designed for in/above ground swimming pool suit for 1,614 square feet. Efficient cleaning. This upgraded pool cleaner is featured with dynamic dual scrubbing brushes and powerful triple motors to provide strong suction that automatically brush, vacuum, microfilter dirt, debris from the pool's floor surfaces, walls and water line without any hassle for a stunningly clean pool. Effective at cleaning pools of all shapes and sizes, even in the presence of corners, bends. Climbs wonderfully. Don't need any installation, just press the switch button, drop it into the pool, leave the system inside the water to do all the hard work. Excellent climbing abilities. Do a thorough cleaning job all around the pool. The anti-rollover technology also prevents the cleaner from falling and turning upside down on the bottom of the pool. Advanced navigation and large top-loading cartridge automatically stops near the pool wall when the battery is low or completing a working cycle for easy retrieval. Large top-load filter cartridges with superior filtering abilities that traps and locks in all stubborn dirt and debris for optimal cleaning. The AIPER 1500 uses advanced systems as well as intelligent cleaning to make your pools pollutant-free. Top 10. Hayward RC9955 Cub TigerShark Robotic Pool Vacuum, Automatic Pool Cleaner. TigerShark Plus has a wireless handheld remote that can be used to steer the cleaner into hard-to-reach areas. Runs separately from the pool's filtration system, reducing the frequency of filter backwash cycles. No extra hoses, hookups, or pumps required. Unique cartridge filter system makes emptying easy. Just open the cleaner, remove the cartridge and rinse with a hose. Built with an efficient 24-volt motor designed to use less energy and lower cost.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.